guys, Ralph here. Right, quick one. This is the Sinclair I bought as the on eBay. The owner said it was a it was loft, top of the, what I call it, a wardrobe find. So not sure whether it works or not. So what I've done is I've got my 9V with the reverse cable into my 9V power. So I'm just going to try it. So 9V through, TV's on, power on, let's go. Just see if it works. So basically watch there. And I've got the TV on the TV anyway, so just in case. Oh, hello. Hello, that's what that noise. Okay. A little strange. I can't get this down unless I get a joystick on it. I don't think I have one. Not even reset. Oh, there you go. It comes back on again. Okay. Do I have a joystick that works with it? Hang on. Okay. It's a Mega Drive one, but it doesn't seem to want to move any of the cursor at all. But the noise has stopped. Let's try a different one, shall we? Ooh, that's fine. Okay. Another joystick in. Yeah, trusty Spectravision. Doesn't want to work. Okay. Last thing to try. Go right and it stops. And fire. Okay, we got a work in progress, but at least it works. Well, the other one doesn't at the moment, so okay, that's where we are with this one. The other one is in pieces anyway, so don't hold out hope that's going to be fixed anytime soon. But I think it will be the next project. Worst case, let's make make one good out and two bad. So different colours. I'll just show you the other one. There's a definite difference. So, does work but doesn't. Okay, leave it with me. I'll see what I can do. So just a quickie that one. Thanks for watching. I'll get back to you in a bit.